Hey friends, good morning! Today is a Sunday. Yeah, and may po si Maui kaya tatapon muna natin. Yan. He saw me already and may pupo siya. So, I'm just gonna tatapon ko muna yung pupo ni Maui guys before niya maapakan yung pupo niya. Hi Awi! There's Awi! Hi Awi! Good morning Wi! Kain muna tayo guys. Wow, ang ganda ng hangin today. It is so windy. Sana umulan na naman para medyo lumamig naman yung paligid guys. Diba? Ang ganda dito sa bus. And today I have my hair styled like this kasi lately I've been really doing my hair like this guys, yung because I have it short and mabilis na siyang mag-curl. I don't spend a lot of time curling my hair. So yan, I'm so happy. So may ice cream na dumaan. So I'll be going to my salon today because I have a hair client today at 1 PM again, and today is a Sunday. I don't know if may time pa kami pumunta ng church later sa evening, but let's see, diba? Plan ko sana this morning, pero I was busy yesterday and then late na din ako nakatulog at saka nakauwi. Late na din kami nakauwi kaya hindi kinaya guys. Madedets tayo and yun, wow. Woo! Wow, this is good. Wala pang bayabas, wala masyadong bayabas ngayon. Walang bunga, maliliit, pangit. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat breakfast guys kasi we will leave by 12 para by 12:30 nandun na ako sa salon. So gonna see you later. We're watching boxing. Manny Pacquia today. Today is July 15. Tapos may laro si Pacquiao guys. Pero hindi pa nag-start kaya kakain muna tayo, maybe let's continue. Sino kaya mananalo? Is it going to be Manny? Winner na si Pacquiao! It's already 12. Yay! Yay! Manny won! 7 rounds lang. I'm done with my client today and we are going home na, and yeah, it's almost 6 PM and I'm ready to go and wash and then it's raining outside kaya I need to hurry. I'm gonna see you at home. You go, chicken. Oh, chicken. Fish. Lamit kayo nga fish, no? And coffee.